Monday, an office day. Spent the whole day at my desk. 209 emails. We started with that this morning at 9:09, and by 2:04 or so, we had it down to one. And that one is just pending until I can disassemble a 750 IL rear suspension and then get struts out, get better pictures, and send them to Europe. So that's in progress. It was just a nuts day of a million different parts deliveries and phone calls and the normal stuff. Sold some service, quoted some service, talking to a bunch of people, normal stuff. Kind of the usual in that element, but I won't talk too much about that. Came back here tonight. It was pasta night. We got a Lakers game tomorrow. Still listening to news and podcasts and reading articles and digesting this massive bomb of a trade we had Sunday morning, Saturday night. This is going to change everything for a long time. For better, for worse, has yet to be seen. I don't remember if I talked about the M5 clutch stop. I put an aftermarket one from Amazon in the 540. I really liked it. So I bought another one, put that in the M5. It won't even start for some reason. It's screwed in all the way, but the stud is like 2 inches long. So it runs, through the chassis and then into whatever insulation or cosmoline. I don't know what is under that, but it hits into that and then can't go in any further. So today I took it out and put it in the vise and shaved off about 1.5 inches of steel rod, probably. Chased the threads out, put it on the grinding wheel, made it smooth, put it back in the car, and it starts now. So hopefully that will resolve that issue. I don't really have much else tonight. Super tired. I'm going to bed. So we're going to keep tonight short. Tomorrow's Tuesday. We're cooking along with the week. We'll talk then. Good night.